Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Create with Kayla. Today we are going to be doing a hula hoop decor challenge. I asked everybody to submit everything today and make sure the only rule was you just needed a hula hoop. That's it, and just make a decor out of it. I just want to say thank you for everybody participating. This has been a huge turnout, and thank you for everybody that wanted to who couldn't find a hula hoop. So here is my version of my decor challenge, and I hope you stay tuned and watch the whole video.
Alright, so here's what it looks like. I did have a bent hula hoop. I did get it from the Goodwill. So what you're going to need is this wallpaper right here. I wanted to cover up the hula hoop, so I used some wallpaper to cover it up. Alright, so next we're going to grab this roving yarn. I got this from Walmart for about $3.82. You're going to unravel all of the roving yarn and then measure it. Okay, just watch how I'm doing this. So then next after this, you're just going to cut it, and then every length of the roving yarn is going to be the same length. So all you have to do is just pull it and then measure it like that with hand. So you don't need a ruler or anything. You just measure each string from the same size as the first string. Alright, for the first knot, what you're going to do is you're going to pull it through the back, and then you're going to take the two strings in the front and then pull them through the loop. Just like that, and then pull it down. And then continue, I did about 10. Okay, so after the last one, you're going to pull the last string on the right hand side and you're going to cross it over. So I'm moving that out of the way. You're going to cross it over through the back, loop it around one time and then two times, and then pull that string through the last loop that you did. Alright, now you're going to go to the other side. So you're going to alternate sides, and you're going to pull one string on one side, one string on the other side, and you're going to cross through the front of the other string and then go behind the hoop. Then you're going to do your loop-de-loop once again. Uh-oh, I messed that up. Your loop-de-loop, and then you're going to pull it between the last loop. Alright, you're just going to continue doing left, right, pulling the yarn in front of the other yarn and then switching it through the back of the hula hoop. Alright, so it looks like I forgot one. So I'm just going to go back and add it to the same string that it was on. Alright, so here you're just going to cut all of that excess yarn. I know I've been calling it string and yarn this whole time, but I did add 2 pieces right there in the middle just to cover up the hula hoop. And also, if you want to leave it, you can leave it. And here's your final look. So I'm going to show you both ways. You can either turn it this way, you can turn it upside down, you can flip it around, and it all looks good. Once again, thank you for watching. Thank you for participating in the Hula Hoop Decor Challenge. If you want to see more of the videos and DIYs for this challenge, just make sure you check out my Instagram as well.